What's up, YouTube? Happy holidays. Back at you guys. Me and Jeremy back in the building. You want to say happy holidays to him, Jeremy?
Happy holidays.
It's hot in here, Jeremy. What's wrong? It's hot in here.
It feels like something's burning in here.
Bam! It is. We got the Fire Force coming at you. Release date November 28, 2020 of this year. Nice shoe. I love everything about it, except for this little Nike Healy tag right here. I'm gonna take mine off. I don't know what you guys are gonna do with yours. I got my Santa Claus Bulls hat on. I'm trying to get in the spirit. You know, it's the holidays. I hope you're having a great holidays and a blessed one at that. Jeremy, tell me what you like about the shoe.
So I like the bottom, and I like the white strings, and I like the red when it's on the bottom, and I like the front tag, and I think that's what I like of the shoe.
Nice. Nice. It is a pretty decent shoe. That red, I should say, definitely pops on there. Jeremy said he liked the shoe as soon as he seen it. Real nice. Nike, like I said, I'm gonna take that hang tag off of there, that orange. I don't care for that too much myself. That Nike in the back, that Nike Air is real nice. Please like and subscribe to our channel, guys. If you have any questions, let us know. If there's anything you'd like us to do in the video, let us know. I'm gonna try. Jeremy, you want to tell the people anything before we get out of here?
Guys, Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday.
Definitely. Blessings.
And I hope you have a good present. And I hope you don't get cold.
Thank you.
So you better don't be naughty.
You hear him. All right, you guys take care. Definitely subscribe. Again, like to our channel. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope God has continued to keep you guys safe through these times. And again, just hope you guys have a blessed and safe holidays. Thanks again, guys. Take care. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.